What is your name? What is your name? My name is Tom. My name is Tom. How old are you? How old are you? I am 5. I am 5. Are you a boy? Are you a boy? Yes, I am a boy. Yes, I am a boy. What is this? What is this? This is a ball. This is a ball. What color is it? What color is it? It is red. It is red. Is this a pen? Is this a pen? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Do you like milk? Do you like milk? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Where is your mother? Where is your mother? She is at home. She is at home. Can you read? Can you read? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Can you write? Can you write? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am playing now. I am playing now. Is the sun hot? Is the sun hot? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. Do you like apples? Do you like apples? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. How many fingers do you have? How many fingers do you have? 10. 10. Is this a cat? Is this a cat? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. What animal is this? What animal is this? This is a dog. This is a dog. Can you run? Can you run? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. What do you eat? What do you eat? What do you eat? I eat rice. I eat rice. Is it day or night? Is it day or night? It is day. It is day. Do you go to school? Do you go to school? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Who is your friend? Who is your friend? He is my friend. He is my friend. Can you count? Can you count? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. What do you do? What do you do? I am a student. I am a student. What time is it now? What time is it now? It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. Are you busy now? Are you busy now? No, I am free. No, I am free. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Yes, a little. Yes, a little. Can you help me? Can you help me? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. What do you want? What do you want? I want some water. I want some water. Is this your phone? Is this your phone? Yes, it's mine. Yes, it's mine.